Sanbonan Togozani, Kanyalisedi. As the sun is setting beautifully, I decided to in Kulumegangani. Ngobizo, it's actually a kind of mpahlo, you know. Ukucela nje ukuthi ngathi abantu abadala bangasipha lo caliber to understand ubizo and our gifts. And I know everybody is gifted and called in various and different ways, but specifically namhlanje I'm talking about all two people that are gifted ngokomoya, whether ubuthandazeli, ubuprofita, ubunyanga, ubungoma, and so many others, that we may understand this calling beyond the tangible and beyond the physical. In kulolo humble hambayo, however you are being trained, or however you are growing in your gift or in your mission and calling. See, understand that this is something so precious that is beyond beyond amabai, beyond the regalia nje, beyond the expression of spirit. That is whether we are prophet, whether we are shola, whether we are hlehla, whether we are kita. It just goes beyond that. It's about embodying. It's about embodying these elders. I like the wise healers or wise people who would say, "Umuntu onobizo unabantu abadala." And mina today I got to an understanding ukuthi unabantu abadala, but as well unobudala maphakathi kuwe. And mangitho kudala, I'm talking about izinto that existed before even abantu abadala laba abavuka phakathi kwethu, uma sithi sinobizo, we are being called. And I'm talking about water, I'm talking about earth, fire, mountains, I'm talking about the moon, the stars. Izinto ekudala zikhona, and it means we are then called to come and embody just more than those elders abake baphila abasipha lesiphiwo ukuthi sesiqhubekisa siyosebenza ngazo, but we also embody those spirits, because these things are living, even though azange zithathe a human form. And ngathi singajula, in our journeys, and not only focus but pay more attention also to what this calling means beyond these things, because if these tools ceases to exist, then would we still be whole? Because for me, if we had to dig deep and go deep, we would then understand that as you take on this journey, whether in the beginning or middle or humble, then it should be cultivating certain things esizibonayo endalweni, esizaziyo abantu abadala, that we are called to embody, that are good, that are precious, that are of light, and they should be cultivating integrity within us, humility within us. They should be cultivating that spirit of uthando, that spirit of peace, groundedness. And so ngathi singajula and look beyond the visible, look beyond the tangible. Siyabonga, and we appreciate those tools and those gifts abantu abadala basipha sona ukuthi sixhumane nabo, kodwa it's beyond that for us to get to a whole and for us to be able to take on this mission with the full understanding and to actually find ourselves siletha uphila emhlabeni, and find ourselves siba ama-light workers that we are called to be. And I just thought this is a prayer that I wish for all of us to go into the next week with, ukuthi sicela basiqonda okudlulele, sicela basiphe ilihlo elijulile, basiphe indlebe ezijulile, sikwazi ukuzwa beyond the obvious. Thokozani.